All right, class 10. We are going to make Kool-Aid marshmallows. We've got kiwi strawberry, watermelon, grape, and raspberry lemonade, blue raspberry lemonade. We've got our marshmallows, our toothpicks, and this foam block is for drying. Each bowl has a half a cup of water and an entire packet of Kool-Aid. How this is going to work is you're going to take a toothpick, like this, and then you're going to pick. I'm going to pick blue raspberry lemonade, and I'm going to hold it in here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And sometimes you can do it for 15 seconds. And it doesn't look like much. And then I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to place it on there to dry. Alright. Go ahead. So you're starting with the marshmallow on a toothpick, or a lollipop stick, or a popsicle stick. And we washed our hands, of course, before we did this. And remember, you're going to do this for 10 to 15 seconds. And see, this is starting to drip, so the plate's under there just to catch it. Nice job. You can make as many of these as you want. You got to let them dry for a little bit. It's kind of messy, so if you get it on your hands, soap and water. Nice. So we've got a blue raz lemonade, a grape, and a watermelon so far. That's kind of what they look like so far. And now we're trying the kiwi strawberry. Remember, 10 to 15 seconds. That looks cool. And if you don't have a styrofoam block, that's okay. They're about $1 at Walmart. Yeah, perfect. You can pick any color that you want or any flavor that you want. And of course we'll have to test it and see if you guys like it. See if it tastes good. Alright, why don't you guys grab one that you already made and taste it.
How do I have this? Got it.
Do you like it?
It's sour.
Yeah. So it's a change, right? If you don't really like marshmallows, would you eat this? Yeah. Alright, class 10, try this. It wasn't that expensive. 4 packs of Kool-Aid for $1. Toothpicks from the dollar store. That was like $2. You can even do mini, but for about $4, $5 including that. You can choose to refrigerate them or not, but it takes about 15 minutes for them to dry, so I'm sure they'll taste a little different after the 15 minutes, but have fun, enjoy.